In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel CapCut Auto subscription so you can stop being charged automatically every month. Open Play Store. Tap your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Go to Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap on Subscriptions. Find CapCut in your list of active subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription. You will be prompted to choose a reason and confirm. Once you cancel, you will still be able to use CapCut Pro features until the current billing period ends. Now, I will show you another way to cancel CapCut automatic subscription within the application itself. Now, head over to CapCut and then tap on the Me icon at the lower right of your screen. Click on Pro icon. This depends on the subscription you have with CapCut. So for me, I have a Pro subscription. And then proceed with Manage. Then tap on Cancel Subscription. And that's it. You will be able to cancel CapCut Auto subscription. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.